Hi, Darrin here from Simpson Strong Tie. Excited to be unboxing the PRO300 Cordless Quick Drive. This is what you get in the kit. The extension pole, the DeWalt Cordless screw gun, the PRO300 head, your two 5 amp hour batteries, and your charger. So this is everything you receive in the kit. Next, you'll need a box of quick drive screws. Every box of screws comes with the appropriate drive bits for the box. Next, you'll need to insert the drive bit into the mandrel. Find a hard surface and give it a firm push until you hear the click, removing the drive bit from the mandrel. On the back of every tool is a hook key, and in every mandrel there's a little key slot. Just put the hook in the slot and remove the bit. To assemble, grab the screw gun and the mandrel with the inserted bit, place into the end of the screw gun, grab the PRO300 attachment, place over the mandrel and push firmly till you hear a click. To remove this, push the thimble and remove. For easy stand-up operation, we have the quick drive extension pole. To assemble this, we remove the quick drive head from the screw gun by pushing the thimble. Grab the extension pole and place onto the end of the tool. This can be done in any configuration, right hand or left hand. Place the pole on the end of the tool till it seats all the way down. Now this is a left hand thread, so we want to be turning this left. To tighten, grab the mandrel, place in the end of the pole and place the attachment on the end. With the tool fully assembled, place the battery in, make sure the tool's in forward and insert the screws. Every strip has a point and a tail. Place the pointed end into the slot, ready to go. To remove strips, push the silver feeder pull button and remove strips. For embedment depth, push the locking lever forward, turn the thimble down for deeper embedment and up for shallower embedment. Make sure the screw gun is fully running before we engage the screw.